It's the last day before half-term. Everyone's excited. The library is ready to reopen. I want you to be really inspired by this library. It's just a little corner, but like the TARDIS, you go inside and it's massive. I am now going to officially open the library. And now you can all come in. That's the way. Get in there and start choosing some books. Fact books, storybooks, they're all there. And look, a reader. That's what I like to see. How long do you think it takes to write a story? A long time. So how long is a long time? 1 minute. 1 minute? Is that how long it takes you to write a story? Yeah. So it's Pandora. Is she very naughty?
Yeah.
Or is she just very curious? She wants to know about things that are absolutely none of her business. A long and lonely pitch dark corridor where she stopped. Reached out to open the door. Very small, was scratching and tapping inside the cupboard. As the thing inside tap, 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 struggling to set itself free. Dylan growled again. Oh, quiet, Dill! Harry hushed, and he picked up the towel nest, and he carried it carefully to his bedroom, and he laid it on his bed. And shooing Dylan out, he closed the door securely behind him. With a final heave and a tiny crack, the egg split in two. I love to show how I draw, but better than that, I love to see how the children draw as well. Such concentration. Like that. He needs something on his t-shirt, does he? What? A skull? That would be good, wouldn't it? Yeah. A skull and crossbones, do you think, like a pirate?
Yeah.
It isn't the River Wye, it's the River Wee. And there's a waterfall called the Tinkle Falls. and it isn't Beechenhurst Lodge, it's Beechnut Lodge. They're not proper sandwiches! Connor moaned. They fit perfectly under the saddle, said Mum. And anyway, you should be grateful to have any sandwiches at all. Bread has become really hard to get since the baker left town. Just then Connor's mic popped. Bleep, 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 bleep. Mission alert! 2 Monster Boy, #1 agent from Mission Control, Ministry of Monsters. Subject: an ogre is on the rampage. At the end of a long, long day, I love to meet the parents, and I love signing books.